Hi guys, and welcome to another cold caller special video. And I've had another visit from Ringtons. I think this is visit number 3. Now if you're wondering what all this cold call is about, visit number 1 was based on the back of a cold call, a cold telephone call. If you want to see what that's all about, I'll put the links in the description to videos number 1 and 2. Anyway, they came and visited me about 3 weeks ago during Hellfast, so I hadn't been able to eat nothing since until I finished Hellfast. So anyway, this is what I got. Now I bought these, which are butter biscuit with milk and white chocolate crest biscuit. Oh, look at them, very regal looking, don't you think? Very posh. What we got here then? We got these as well. Ringtons milk chocolate caramel wafers. Again, very well branded. And I bought another jar of coffee, which featured in video number 1, same jar. Now, how much did I pay for this? Should have been wearing me balaclava. £4.30. I got him half price. He was on his old iPad thing. He went, "Oh, you still got half price deal going on." He said, so you can have a jar of coffee or a jar of something and 2 packs of biscuits, I think. I said, right, yeah, far away. £4.30. So if you double that, that's £8.60. Well, most jars of coffee now are a £5, aren't they? So that's £3.60 for them two. You know, ballpark. I don't know what that actually is, but if you said that as a £5, £3.60 for both them, I'd say that's well worth it. 150 grams in this. This feels quite weighty, this do. How much is in here? 8 times 30. So it's 240 then. 240 grams in that one. Blimey, that's good value, all this stuff. Right, so basically we'll just give them a taste, give them a taste test and wrap the video up. So I've got a nice cup of coffee here. Now I've had my eye on these ones ever since I got them. Let's give them a go. Now these look similar to them ones you can buy in the supermarkets. I can't think what they're called. Where you can get white chocolate ones as well, dark chocolate and milk chocolate. But these have got a bit of both on. Come on. Well, let's just get one out. Look at that. Very posh. Look, there's loads of chocolate on it. Well impressed with that. Now I've not had them in the fridge, they've been in the cupboard. And that white centre bit is really soft. It's almost like a cream. God, that's lovely. Have another one of them. Dunk go. Got a dunk. I don't like eating biscuits dry. They're really good. Right, let's put them away. Let's get these wafers open. I'll tell you what, these feel real like some weight in these. Yeah, look at them, look, they got gold wrapping, like proper old school wrapping on them. Wow. Yes. No shrinkflation here. This is like something out of the 70s and 80s, this is. Look at that. Lovely. That tastes like something out of the 70s and 80s as well. It tastes exactly how you'd imagine it to. Mmm. Very nice. Obviously this sort of stuff I wouldn't buy it like I would like in a supermarket, picking bit packs of biscuits and that up. Although to be fair, even at full price, this stuff ain't too far out of the way, you know. You are definitely getting a better product than what the average stuff in supermarkets. And I've said it before, I don't mind paying for stuff, more for stuff, if you're getting, you know, that extra bit of quality and it's worth the money. I'll pay it, but I wouldn't want to pay it week in, week out. So, but yeah, I will definitely, even when I've gone through all the reviews and that, I think I'll still like all the products to review. I think I'll still just have stuff now and again if you don't mind swinging by every other week sort of thing. Pick a pack of biscuits up and that. They're really nice. So yeah, I would definitely recommend anyway if they deliver in your area and you can pick up the deals I've picked up, which, you know, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to. Give them a go, because you're going to get better value than you'd buy a sort of similar product with a lower quality in the supermarkets at the deal price I'm talking about. But yeah, these are nice products. I think I've mentioned before in previous videos. They're also a nice little gift, something like, you know, if you've got a little old lady live next door or something, and she might have done you a favour, come and fed your cat while you're away or something. You just pop her out a nice little something different, bit of quality biscuits. Perfect for that sort of thing, eh, boo-boo? So there we are, guys. That, I think we'll wrap that video up there. I think he's probably due to come back again next week. So, I'll see what else he's got. I'll get some more biscuits. I'll be very surprised if I'm going to get any more deals though. Surely they can't keep giving me stuff half price. But we'll see. But yeah, I'm definitely going to get another pack or two of biscuits off them next time. So there we are. Right, boo-boo, I think we'll wrap the video up there, then you can get winding into a little treat, eh? So there we go, guys. That, guys, is another Cold Caller special video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me and old Boo-Boo, the custard kid here, again soon on another video. Take care, guys. Right, here we go then, Boo-Boo. You want a nice little biscuit. Chocolate. You ain't having no chocolate coated ones. Bloomin' heck, Boo-Boo. Hang on, where's Bob? Here, Bubbles. Watch the tripod. There's yours, Boo-Boo.